This is a flow class. We're doing a release on foam rolling and trigger points with lacrosse balls. Starting with Nikki over there, doing a release on the quads, back and forth, releasing, breaking down all the muscle tissue, getting back all that toxic substances back to the bloodstream and releasing out. Good stuff. Getting there only 5 times. Then, as she gets on the side, getting into an ITV release. As she turns to the other side, you will see how much she's enjoying it. Back and forth, all the way from the hip to the knees and turn around to the other side. Good. Feet together, good stuff. That's all perfect. Great stuff, Nikki. And moving, switching on for Brian. Sitting on the lacrosse ball. It's about this. Nice coated rubber with heads in between. And sitting on the glute max, getting a release on the area, all the tension that comes through. And then rotating and down for the piriformis, which is a little muscle just on the top and lateral from the glutes. And lifting both feet up, Brian, that's the one. It's a bit tight, isn't it? Yeah. And lift both feet up, hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And Nick is getting in the release for the trigger points on the back, okay? So as she gets in there, gonna treat it. Very good. So going through the rhomboids and the upper traps, perfect, cool stuff. And then turning around for the chest. Brilliant. Now she's doing that, Brian is going to down here on the calf. So first of all is the upper calf, the gastroc, putting all the tension on the ball and putting the other foot on top, releasing. So that's another very solid trigger point release. Pretty effective way to loosen it up the calves. Good, and then back down on the lower calf. Good. While Nikki is getting ready for the chest. Good. And on the chest in there. So just below the collarbone, putting all the body weight pressure and leaning into it, releasing the insertion of the chest on the clavicle. So especially if you work a lot of hours in front of the computer, great way to release your spine and getting a nice steady back. Okay, fantastic, very good. Good stuff, guys. Smile, Brian.